Okay, I've got an update here. I just finished updating the blynk application as well as the ESP8266 code so that it would work to program the ESP32 code. The ESP32 is not complete yet as of this video update, but everything is ready from what I see right now in order to program data to the ESP32 from this code. Show you how that works real quick. So this is the blynk server. It's running right now on this program. We're going to open up blynk on this BlueStacks emulator, and as that sorry, hello, as that loads, we're going to just make sure we log out and log in with the proper settings. So log in, admin at blynk.cc. Yeah, the admin password is admin. We're going to make sure our settings match our IP address, right? Which is this one right here. We're going to go ahead and copy, Control C, and take this and paste it there, and say OK, and log in. Okay, so this opens up the completed app that I've done already for what needs to do for the settings. Okay, so I've already got the code uploaded to the ESP8266, so I can move stuff around here momentarily. If I can, here we go. All right, so right now this blynk is, or this ESP8266 is running on my local server, and so is this now connected to the local server too. So I've been able to do all the settings that I'd like to for setting up all the weapons and selections, and it breaks it down and sends the info to the code. So we're going to go ahead and switch to the rocket launcher, and it tells you send option number 15 to ESP32 via serial and resetting to default. So the way it works is I send a command to it, a variable that's used to send commands to the ESP32, reset it after it sends it, and give you a notification that was changed. That weapon slot 0 was set to rocket launcher, right? And that's essentially how this is all going to work. And feel free to look at any of these and play with them. Set ESP32 to set to the suppressor for this one. I've got the team settings set up how I'd like them to be done. And feel free to scroll through and look at the app and see how I've done this, and play with them. And it'll enable the settings on the ESP32 for that. Team set to 2 teams, odds versus evens. That's pretty much it. I mean, you can go through and check out all the different setups I've done. I've set the respawn station time settings and everything else to make where you can set it up how you want to. Very similar to the offline modes, but also you can set it to immediate, as well as sorry, I missed that. Respawn times to respawn station or manual, right? So that it has to be set up to a manual way to respawn a player in game. So the app's ready to go. Feel free to download it. The ESP8266 sketch is updated, so you can feel free to download that one, check that one out. But there's still some work to do on the 32 sketch to make it all compatible with these new changes I've integrated.